Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you love tech, unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So in this video, we will talk about how to hide message previews on Android lock screen easily. For this, open the settings app on your device. Here, scroll down and click on the notifications option. A few options will appear. Tap on app setting. Now you can see the list of all the apps that show content on the lock screen. After that, turn off the toggle next to the app. This will hide the content of the particular app. Otherwise, go back to the previous page and scroll down and tap on the notifications on the lock screen. Now select the option don't show any notification, and this will hide the content for all the apps on the lock screen. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.